When it comes to shopping, I normally write down a shopping list to avoid over shopping and overspending, and I try as much as possible to follow the list that I have. This is how much it cost me for all this. Can someone guess? Yeah, it was a I love this liquid soap because it's economical. If I get this, it goes for like 3 months. Na inaosha vyombo na bado inaosha nyumba. Some yogurt and juice. Majani. This and mustard yellow. You can never go wrong with this. Some snacks. My favorite coffee. For downy, I love mix 2 cents. Some bathing soaps, toilet cleaner, toilet balls, watu wasinuke jasho. Hii kitu simepanda we. Some lotion for my husband, some pads for the girl. These are the wipes that I love. So, kitchen towels, I love this one. And I got these ones were on offer for 75, so I got 2. Vinegar for cleaning the fridge and also vegetables. I got one noodle. I want to introduce my daughter to it. Hajawahi kula, so kajaribu na moja. Mkate for breakfast. Tissue 10 pack 2. This for my spices. I like getting my spices from hizo shop za spices. Excuse me, so I get the whole spices, I blend them myself. So I got myself cumin seeds, cinnamon seeds, I'll be getting cardamom tomorrow, and also got some dates. I also get rice from Moya. So I'm a Pishori babe. So I got 5 kgs. Basically, these are the things that I got from the store. So I have another bag that I got for the groceries. For groceries, this is what I got. 2 trays of eggs, carrots, 20 shillings each. Mangoes, together with garlic. And so we have lemon, hoho, and tomatoes. Viazi, potatoes. So this will last us, the onion will last us a month, but the tomatoes just for a week, potatoes for a week, and the eggs for a month. So that's what I got.
Nimosha dishi yenyewe.
Oh, sawa.
Why?
Niendete kiugo.
Cha.
Kama container hapo. Next, I decided to clean the fridge. It was due for cleaning. First thing first, I remove everything that is in the fridge. so that I can be able to clean it properly. When I'm thorough cleaning, I always clean the shelves and the compartments in the sink for better cleaning. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. To clean inside the fridge, I am using warm water together with liquid soap and a soft clean kitchen towel. You need a soft one not to scratch the inside of the fridge. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. Not to forget this area, it accumulates a lot of dust and dirt. If I try. At this point, I even changed my outfit. So I'm using a clean cloth and plain warm water. So they will kill bacteria. This is the last round of cleaning, and I have added vinegar in the water. And the water is warm. Just for that fresh and clean scent. Pretty easy. I use a scouring pad together with soap. These glass shells are very fragile. I clean them very gently.
Jogetto upasue.
Lastly, I add vinegar in my water, then I rinse all the compartments and the shelves.
Nini kidilikuwa nakaa nini?
Tulale mandevani. Na maji tukipika. Pata kitu ya kuchota wapi? Na ile ingine hata itukarenza. The best thing is to let the compartments to air dry, but since I don't have time, I'm using paper towel to dry them. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. I am adding vinegar in the water to clean the freezer part. Cleaning the freezer part, it's pretty easy. I love cleaning it compared to the fridge part, because here there's no spillages sana kama kwa fridge, and the compartments are not so many, so just one touch and you're done. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison.
I like Baroness making smells.
Vitu zingine sijui ni nini unajua. Hizi zinafaa nizigawanyishe. I love my sauces cold, so I keep them in the fridge. Saseni. So today I want to share with you how I make coconut rice and beef curry. I will also be showing you how I get my coconut milk from scratch. We're using a hammer to crack the coconut, then we drain the water. So after cracking them, this is how they look. Now tunazitoa kwa hizo shell. So this is how you get the coconut from the shell. We're using a knife, but you need to be careful when doing so. But hii coconut imekomaa, inatoka vizuri. Shopping bag.
Why are you calling me?
So next you're going to sieve this, because this is the cream or the milk. So you're going to use this to sieve the coconut. This is our coconut milk. This is the thick one, the first layer. The second layer, it's a bit light. Hope you can get to see the difference. I am making two cups of rice. So in here I'll add 3 cups of water and 1 cup of light coconut cream. That's light coconut milk. So I'm going to add water, salt, so when the rice is almost ready, I'm going to add this heavy cream or heavy coconut milk that we have made right now. After adding the coconut milk, the rice becomes very, very thick. So it requires someone to reduce the heat and cook in very low heat. For beef curry, you are going to use tomatoes, onion, garlic ginger paste, mala or plain yogurt if you have, hoho and dania. Let's do this.